Hi guys, welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking. Welcome to Cheryl's Home Cooking, and today what I'm going to show you is how I make a quick and easy chocolate cream pie. So the ingredients that you'll need for this pie is one giant Hershey Special Dark or regular chocolate at 7.56 ounce bar, one 9-inch ready-made pie shell, and 8 ounces of Cool Whip. And that's it, just these three ingredients. So let's get started. So I have one 9-inch ready-made graham cracker crust. I picked up one container of Cool Whip, and this is a zero sugar, it's 8 ounces. I picked up one giant Hershey chocolate bar. I melted it in the microwave, so now I'll mix it. While the chocolate is still warm, what you want to do is combine it with the Cool Whip. Mix it all together till it's well combined. Now that it's well combined, I'll scrape down the sides. Now you pour this into your 9-inch pie shell. Once it's in your pie shell, you just want to smooth it out, making sure to cover all the edges. And then place this in your fridge for about an hour or so. Put some whipped cream on top. And this is a quick way of making chocolate cream pie. So into the fridge it goes. So now it's ready to come out of the fridge. Ooh, look at how good that looks. Now that it's burned up, I'll slice into it and give it a try. I put a little whipped cream on top. It's optional. Now I'll give it a try. That's really, really good. And this is what I call my chocolate Hershey cream pie. It's really good. Give it a try. Well, thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Cheryl's Home Cooking. I'll see you guys next video. Bye-bye.